Hello friends, my name is Ritesh Vare. So today we will see Schmidt rearrangement. So what is Schmidt rearrangement or Schmidt rearrangement? Pronunciation is different for different people. So let's see Schmidt rearrangement. What is this Schmidt rearrangement? So we have to remember with the help of initial of this S for we are using H2SO4, C for carboxylic acid COH, then H for hydrazoic acid, that is N3H. So see here, to save the time of video, to minimize the time of video, I have already written reaction and its mechanism, so that this video becomes short and our concept will be getting clear. So this is my intention to write earlier. So see what is the reaction. This is your carboxylic acid RCOOH. This is your hydrazoic acid. It can react in presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form amine, then removal of CO2 and your nitrogen gas. So we have to consider these three, H2SO4, carboxylic acid and hydrazoic acid react with each other to form amine and removal of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. This is our ischemic rearrangement, or we can say ischemic reaction. So what is the mechanism? Let's see. I have taken this carboxylic acid RCOOH. All of you are knowing oxygen have greater electronegativity, so oxygen will attract electron towards itself. So what will be the happen? Further, carbon possesses positive charge, oxygen possesses negative charge. So I have written here. So due to that positive charge, what will happen? This is our hydrazoic acid. Just I have written I have written in separate form, that is N3H. So N3H. So here this negatively charged nitrogen will attract over this carbon. So what will be happening? This negatively charged ion attract over this carbon. So only nitrogen is not coming, along with this all hydrazoic acid that will be coming over this carbon. So what will be the structure? See, R, this one R, C, O minus, due to electronegativity, negative charge possesses, this double bond is getting broken down. Then this OH is written I have here for the sake of purpose or for the rearrangement. So next is here carbon positively charged, this is nitrogen negatively charged, same hydrazoic acid, same I have written here. So what will be the next step? So this OH is removed in the form of water, correct? So water will be getting removed. So what will be the further structure? So R C double bond O. So I have written again double bond O. Why? Because this oxygen will back bond with this carbon. So C double bond O. Then this hydroxide ion will be getting in the form of water. So what will be the remaining structure as it is? N minus double bond N H. So in the next step, what will be happening? This hydrogen is getting eliminated from the nitrogen. So what will be the next? Nitrogen want to leave the hydrogen in the reaction. So hydrogen उसको निकाल दिया हाइड्रोजन को, तो हाइड्रोजन सर्चिंग फॉर द negatively charged ion, where I can get negatively charged ion. So this nitrogen contain negative charge over this nitrogen. So this hydrogen attract towards this nitrogen. So what will be further? Then here this nitrogen double bond is shifted, or this electrons from this double bond is shifted over this nitrogen. So what will happen? negative charge remains as it is. See here, once when hydrogen comes here, that negative charge will be getting removed, but it is not removed. Why? Because this electron from this bond is shifted over this nitrogen, so that nitrogen remains again negative. See, hydrogen comes, but this double bond, double bond, electron from this bond shifted over this nitrogen, so nitrogen remains negative as it is. So what will be the further structure? R C double bond O, N minus H is getting attached. आप लोग बोलेंगे कि अगर H इसके ऊपर गया तो नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर का चार्ज जाना चाहिए, लेकिन ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, pair of electrons shifting from this bond to this nitrogen, so that nitrogen remains negative. Then this is nitrogen N plus double bond N minus. So as a hydrogen left, here nitrogen acquires a negative charge. So what will be the further structure? See, formation of nitrogen triple bond will take place further. See, R C double bond O, N minus, that is NH double bond N double bond N, that is this bond is shifted over this, and nitrogen triple bond is getting formed. So what will be the further? This nitrogen triple bond nitrogen is getting removed in the form of nitrogen N2. So nitrogen is getting removed. So first nitrogen is getting removed here. So what will be the further structure? If nitrogen goes, then structure remains R C double bond O, this N H. So H is written here only. So this is our remaining structure. Then what will happen? This nitrogen can leave the hydrogen. Hydrogen will be removed from this reaction. So once when it is removed, while removing, this hydrogen gives 2 electron over this nitrogen. So again, nitrogen contains excess electrons. So these 2 electrons already they are present over this nitrogen, they are shifted over this bond. That is 2 electron means we can write as a one bond. That is here formation of single bond to double bond takes place. See further, R C double bond O, here C double bond N, and over this nitrogen it will possesses positive charge. So next, hydrolysis we can do. Hydrolysis, that is H2O. So what will be the, just I have rearranged this R C double bond O N. So just R, this R is shifted over this nitrogen. So nitrogen positively charged species. This R is shifted over this nitrogen. So nitrogen R single bond N C double bond O. This is the structure. See here, what I have written, just R is shifted over this nitrogen, as nitrogen is a positively charged ion. So R, this is N, single bond N, because R is shifted over this nitrogen. Then double bond C, N double bond C, correct? And C double bond O. So remaining structure as it is. So what will further happening? So just I will rub so that you will get a clear idea. See, this is our C double bond O. So what will be happening? We can write here as a H2O. So R N double bond C double bond O. So what will be the, this is H2, it will joins with this Rn, that is it is forming RNH2, this oxygen and this carbon. So this oxygen and this CO, it will be forming CO2. So removal of CO2, second removal of RNH2, that is amine. So that is the our product. RNH2 is getting formed, CO2 is getting released, and nitrogen also getting released. So this is our ischemic rearrangement. So just we will see within 2 minutes revision over this ischemic rearrangement. So ischemic rearrangement is the reaction in between H2SO4, carboxylic acid and hydrazoic acid. So these three acids react with each other to form amine, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So what is the mechanism? This due to electronegativity, oxygen possesses negative charge, carbon possesses positive charge. So this is hydrazoic acid, just I have written in the separate form, that is N3H. So negatively charged nitrogen will attract over this. So along with all the hydrazoic acid is attached over this carbon. So here in the first step, removal of water molecule takes place. OH and H from H2O is coming here, and removal of water molecule takes place. So next step is, here we can say hydrogen is getting removed and this hydrogen is going to attach over this nitrogen. Due to that, what will happen? It will become positive, but this double bond is shifted over this nitrogen, that is again it will remains as a negative. So this is our structure. Then finally nitrogen they are making triple bond with each other and formation of nitrogen gas will take place. So nitrogen gas is getting evolved. In the next step, what will happen? This hydrogen is again removed from this nitrogen. What will happen then? Again during the removal, they are leaving these 2 electrons over this nitrogen, and excess of electron is shifted from this nitrogen to this carbon nitrogen bond. So they are forming double bond here. So double bond is getting formed. So what will happen further? Nitrogen contains positive charge. So again R is attracted towards this positively charged species. So the structure become R N C double bond O. Finally we will go for hydrolysis. So H2O, this Rn, RnH2, and this CO, this oxygen, this is CO2. So formation of amine, carbon dioxide and nitrogen we have seen here. Formation of amine, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. This is our ischemic rearrangement. Thank you.